Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I will be telling you about how you can fix your lag and improve your performance and speed of your Poco smartphone. So friends, if your phone is lagging sometimes, not opening application, how you can fix it? So first, let's open the settings. So if you have the problem of speed also, if you are performing gaming in your phone and you suffer a lag, so just go to the settings, click on search, right here RAM. Here it will be showing RAM. So you can see here it is 6 GB plus 2 GB, so there will be no need to extend the RAM. It is automatically extended when 6 GB is completely filled. So you can see it will be extended automatically. From now you can just open your files manager and remove unwanted files, photos, images, videos from your Poco smartphone. So it your performance and speed of your smartphone will be increased. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.